Hello everyone, good morning all. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine at your homes. So, after a very long time, once again I am here to make you learn something new, something different in EVS, right? So, but before starting my lecture, my class, we will discuss about our test. So, dear students, how was your test? How was your test? How was the questions? What was your experience to give your test without classroom, without teacher? Okay, I am giving the answer on behalf of you. I hope it was fantastic. It was fantastic because nowadays this is only the solution of the problem, to interact online. Okay, take the classes online and do all the work with the help of technology, right? So hope you did your test well, and soon I will check your notebooks, then I will tell you what is your score in your test. Okay, so let's start the study. Yes, again we are going to start our new chapter. See, dear students, I already told you that we will not go with this chapter number 5, my family. Okay, we will skip this chapter because I think you all learned so many things in class 1 which is related with this chapter, my family. Okay, right now you are spending your much of time with your family only. So I am going to skip this chapter, right? So today we will start chapter number 6, my neighborhood. The name of your chapter is my neighborhood. This is your chapter number 6, my neighborhood. This chapter we are going to start today only, right? So first I will tell you how many things you are going to learn in this chapter. है ना? So first thing, importance of neighbors and neighborhood. What you are going to learn first? First you are going to learn importance of neighbors and neighborhood. Right? Understand? Hope you understand well. Okay, now second thing we are going to learn is that important place in the neighborhood area. Once again I will repeat, important place in the neighborhood area, right? Okay, so first you have to understand the meaning of this word neighborhood. Whenever we will start learning something new, something different, so first we have to understand the meaning of that word which start our lesson, right? So the name of your chapter is my neighborhood. We can say in Hindi, मेरे आस पास की सारी चीजें. Whether it is our neighborhood or whether we will talk about the neighborhood places, right? So neighborhood means what? I will explain to you. We will discuss. Okay, then our family lives in our house. Are you agree with me? है ना? We all are living with our families in our house, right? Right, yes. And different families are living in different houses. हाँ, ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि we all are living in same house. No, ना. We all have different houses and we all have different families, and we all are living with our families, but not in the same place. We are living in different houses in different places, right? Okay, now houses around us, houses around us, these families are our neighbors, है ना? बहुत little example I will give you in Hindi so you can understand well. बेटा neighborhood means पड़ोसी, है ना? आपके पड़ोस में कौन रहता है, आपके आजू में कौन रहता है, आपके बाजू में कौन रहता है, these we called the neighbors in English, है ना? एंड आपने बहुत सारी बार अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलते सुना होगा कि पड़ोसी का अच्छा होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, ठीक है? ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स कि पड़ोसी का अच्छा होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है? वाई दे आर सेइंग लाइक दैट? बिकॉज वॉट एवर यू आर फेसिंग, सी आई विल गिव यू वन नाइस एग्जाम्पल विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू आवर कंट्री. सी, कैन यू टेल मी आवर नेबरहुड कंट्रीज, नेम्स ऑफ द आवर नेबरहुड कंट्रीज? हमारे जो देश के जो आसपास के जो पड़ोसी देश हैं, क्या उनके नाम आपको पता है? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू नो वेल बिकॉज you all are a smart student of class 2, so many times you heard that name of Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, ठीक है? Who are they? They are our neighborhood countries. ये हमारे देश के पास वाली कंट्रियां हैं, ठीक है? So but have you think ever that we are happy, we have good relation with Pakistan, है ना? You have seen so many times in news, you heard so many times in news channels कि यार जम्मू कश्मीर में तो आतंकवादी हमला हुआ, so many terrorists are there and always they are attacking, always they are creating problem, ठीक है? So क्या पाकिस्तान हमारा एक अच्छा पड़ोसी देश है? इसका आंसर है नहीं. क्या बांग्लादेश हमारा एक अच्छा पड़ोसी देश है? पहले हुआ करता था लेकिन अभी थोड़े से अच्छे रिलेशन नहीं है. चीन से तो नाउअडेज वी आर ऑन द वॉर, सॉरी. सो बेटा ये चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे आसपास के पड़ोसी का अच्छा होना, इट्स वेरी 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 नेसेसरी टू अस टू लिव अ बेटर लाइफ, टू लिव आवर लाइफ हैप्पीली, ठीक है? सो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि योर पेरेंट्स डोंट हैव द गुड रिलेशन विथ योर नेबर्स, है ना? कई बार ऐसा होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा होता है. समटाइम्स दे फॉट, है ना? सो दे डोंट हैव द गुड रिलेशन विथ देयर नेबर्स. सो नेबर के साथ वी हैव ऑलवेज गुड रिलेशनशिप, अदरवाइज दे ऑलवेज क्रिएट्स द प्रॉब्लम एज लाइक पाकिस्तान, एज लाइक चीन, राइट? So this word neighborhood means padosi, which we can call in Hindi padosi. So in this chapter we are going to learn about our neighbors, about our neighborhood places, right? So let's start. First, whatever is written in your book I will read for you, then I will explain to you, okay? So I am going to start with page number 34. I am going to start, see I am showing you in front of the camera this page number 34, and first I will read whatever is written in the book, then I will explain to you, right? So let's start with line number 1. The area near our house is called our neighborhood. What is the definition given over here in your book about the neighborhood? Yes, this line is very much correct written over here. The area near our house is called neighborhood. आपके आसपास का जितना भी एरिया है, दैट इज योर नेबरहुड, दैट इज योर नेबरहुड. एंड नेबरहुड हैज टू टाइप्स बेटा. नेबरहुड हैज टू टाइप्स. वन इज man-made neighborhood, one is man-made neighborhood, and second one is natural neighborhood, and second one is natural neighborhood. Okay, we will discuss more deeply about these man-made neighborhood and the natural neighborhood, right? But before this, we will continue with the reading part. Okay, let's see what is written in line number 2. People who live in the neighborhood are called our neighbors. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. People who live in neighborhood are called our neighbors. Yes, people, those who are living nearby our houses, they all are our neighbors. They all are our neighbors, right? Okay, so let's see what is written in line number 3. The neighbors make our life happy and comfortable. What is written? Once again I will repeat for you. The neighbors make our life happy and comfortable. So line number 1, word number last, neighborhood, you have to make it underline. Okay, then line number 2, again you have to make it underline the last word, and in line number 3, happy and comfortable, these two words you have to make underline. Yes students, when you will watch this video, get ready with your book and your stationery item, whatever a stationery item you have, your pencil, eraser, sharpener, get ready with all these things, right? So yes, these four words you have to make it underline. Neighborhood, neighbors, happy and comfortable, because these all four words is very much associated with this chapter. Okay, yes, now let's see what is number 4. They give us a sense of security and well-being. Yes, it is very much correct. It is very much right written in your book. Neighbors makes us happy. Neighbors, see, when any festival will come, then what happens? We celebrate with our family members as well as with our neighbors also. And Holi is the festival which we can't celebrate alone. होली खेलने के लिए तो आपको आपके दोस्तों की, आपके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों की ज़रूरत होगी ना. होली आप अकेले कैसे सेलिब्रेट करोगे, अकेले कैसे खेलोगे? So these all are very needed and they makes us happy. They makes us happy and safe also. They makes us happy and safe also. Beta, sometimes it's happen in our life. See, life is like a wheel, है ना? कभी अच्छा समय आता है, then कभी बुरा समय भी आता है, कभी हंसते हैं तो कभी रोना भी पड़ता है. If any incidents is happen in my family, भगवान ना करे ऐसा हो, but if any incidents is happen in my family, so who will come first to help you? Who will come first to help you or your parents? Your neighbors, है ना? Suppose any incidents happen in your family, so what you will do? You will make call to your relatives. Yes, this happened in my family, please come soon, है ना, and help me a lot. Okay, but your relatives are living very far from you. Your relatives, most of the relatives are living very far from us, right? All are not living in the same city, in the same town, right? So, but before coming to relatives, who will come first to take care of you, to take care of your family? Who are they? Who are your supports that time? Yes, your neighbors. Neighbors supports you a lot. If you have good relation with your neighbors, then definitely they will support you a lot. They will support you a lot. So once again I want to repeat the same thing, that always have the good relationship with your neighbors, okay. Now whatever is written in line number 5, I am going to read, then I will explain to you. Many big and small neighborhood together make a town or a city. Once again I will read. Many big and small neighborhood together make a town or a city. Yes, all the neighborhood places comes together and then we will get a small town or small city. Okay, now I will give you one more example which is related our neighborhood. See, there are two kinds of neighborhood. There are two kinds of neighborhood places. First one is the natural neighborhoods. First one is the natural neighborhoods. I will write over here on the board, right? So natural and man-made. Natural and man-made neighborhoods. Okay, so now this question is raised in your mind that how many things are coming in natural neighborhoods? How many things are coming in this category, natural neighborhood? So dear students, whatever creates by the God, all those things will come in this category only. All those things will come in this category. Like we can say like river, okay, and lake, है ना, and hills, birds, and trees, plants, okay, forest is also will come in this category, है ना, and yes, these things are coming in this category. Mountain also, mountains also, right? So this is the names which belongs to this category, natural neighborhood, right? So now this question is raised in your mind, मैम अगर ये natural category के neighborhoods हैं तो what are the man-made neighborhoods? है ना, man-made neighborhoods we can call the artificial neighborhoods which we create to make our life easy, है ना बेटा. This natural neighborhoods to nature give us. We are not creator of these things. हमने पहाड़ नहीं बनाए, हमने नदियाँ नहीं बनाई, है ना, ये सारी चीज़ें माउंटेन ये सब हमने नहीं बनाए हैं. But all the man-made things, all the man-made neighborhoods we all create to make our life smooth, to make our life easy. So in this category, so many things are coming, so many things like school, okay, and your favorite place, garden or park where you are playing in the evening, right? So park or garden, right? And mama loves to go to shopping. Yes, all the mamas are loves to do shopping. That's why I'm going to write the name of market. Yes, market is a place where we can get all the things which is related our daily routine life, right? And yes, always financial department is held by your papa. So bank, I'm going to write bank also, bank, and see, suppose you will sick, who will treat you? Myself? No. Your parents? No. Then who will help you to treat? Where you will go? Yes, doctor. Doctor will help you. Doctor will give you prescriptions. Then your papa, your parents will go to a chemist, and chemist will provide you whatever prescription has written by a doctor. So I will write hospital first. Okay, then school done, park done, garden done, market, bank, hospital, and one more thing. We all wants to keep ourselves safe. We all wants to keep ourselves safe. Who gives us protection? Who maintain the law and the order of your city, of your town? Can you guess the name? Huh? Okay, so you are not here in the classroom, so I will tell the name on behalf of you, right? So, policeman. Policeman. So, I will write police station over here. I will write police station over here because policeman protect us. Policeman maintain the law and the order of your city, of your town, right? And what is remain? I think everything is written over here. What are remain? Huh? Post office. Yes. Post office also remains. So I am going to write post office. Post office where we can get our letters, where we can get our parcels. है ना? So post office is a place where we can communicate with the people. Right? So these are the names of the man-made neighborhood. It is very much needed, it is very much required that we have all these things in our town, in our city, right? Okay, one more name is I'm going to mention over here temple. Temple is also very much required for a town or a city. If you are Hindu, you will go in a temple. If you are Muslim people, then you will go in the mosque. And if you are Sikh, you will go in the Gurudwara. Or if you are belongs from a Christian community, then definitely you will go to church. So these all the religious places is also very much required in our town, in our city. Right? Understand? Hope you understand the entire summary. Whatever I explained you understand. If you can't, no issue, no problem. I will repeat all these things once again in my next lecture. Right? So once again, whatever I spoke now, I will repeat all those things once again. Right? So today we are going to start our chapter number 6. And what is the name of the chapter? My neighborhood. What are the name of the chapter? My neighborhood. This is chapter number 6. है ना? My neighborhood means in this chapter we are going to learn about our neighborhood and neighbors. About our neighborhood places and our neighbors. Okay, so our family lives in a house. Are you agree with me? Yes, we all are living with our houses in our family. Different families are living in different houses around us. Yes, it is also very much correct. These families are our neighbors. These families which living in our neighborhood places, they all are the neighbors. They all are the neighbors. The area which we are living, that is our neighbors. That is our neighbors. In our neighborhood, we should have two kinds of features. First one is natural features and second one is man-made features. Natural features which we get from the nature, and man-made features, or we can say artificial features, which we human beings create to make our life easy and smooth. Okay, so in this category, so many things are coming like river, lake, hills, trees, plants, forests, mountains, and all those whatever created by the God, right? And in man-made neighborhood, we human beings are the creator of all these things to make so many easy of our life, like that school, park, garden, market, bank, hospital, police station, post office, and all the religious places. Right? So this is the entire learning of today's chapter. Today I'm not going to take so many concepts in one day, otherwise you will get confused. Okay? So only this much today we will make to understand what is neighborhood, who are neighbors, why they are very much needed in our life, what they gives us, है ना? And what kinds of neighbor or neighborhood places we should have in our city, in our town. Okay, so this is the story of today's lecture. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.